Townley has created a unique line of knife gate valves, specifically designed to give excellent service in the severe environments found in matrix, plant processes, and tailings applications across North America.
I'm Craig Kenyon, Sales Manager for the Valve Division of Townley Manufacturing. At Townley, we now have all of our valve production under one roof. The quality of the people that we have in the Valve Division is probably the best we've ever had.
The flagship of Townley's valve line is the 80TP knife gate valve, designed to operate with fine feed slurries. Using specialized CNC patterns and molds, the primed cast iron body cavity is lined with our proprietary liquid Townley urethane, which, when cured, will yield a precise, resilient molded seat. Additionally, this seat apex is not channeled or grooved like other valves, eliminating trapped debris and slurry, assuring a leak-free closure. Unique to the 80TP is the transition of the elastomer seat onto the external face-to-face surfaces of the valve, providing an integral flange gasket with the raised cast iron body to prevent blade compression when bolting the valve to piping. Featuring a precision-cut stainless steel blade with a CNC machined edge radius, we can ensure a precise interference fit to the urethane seat and easy blade opening and closure during operation. Townley's 80BA knife gate valve is a variant of the successful 80TP. Purpose-built to work in the most severe high-impact service environments with large irregular abrasive solids like matrix and ore handling, as well as bottom ash diversion in coal-fired power plants. The BA valve incorporates two opposed high-chrome iron inserts bonded into the Townley seat when the cavity is lined.
One valve I'd like to introduce to you, a new valve to our product line, is our 80TP XL, which is a wide body version of the 80TP, our standard 80TP. And the same qualities of our 80TP are in the 80TP XL. The only difference is the face-to-face dimension. We're just making it a whole lot easier for the customer, and where they can just drop our one valve into the same takeout space as the Clarkson KGA.
Every 80 series valve is bidirectionally wet tested to the full rated pressure and certified for use before release to inventory. All 80 series valves are built standard from 2 to 24-inch ID with larger sizes available. Standard on the 80BA and an option on the 80TP, a specialized non-stick blade treatment is available. Both valves can be easily converted from hand wheel operator to air, hydraulic, electric, or bevel gear operators with limit switches and lockouts as required. For remote installations, we offer a self-contained actuator.
We keep inventory, consigned inventory on air cylinders. Gear operators are in stock. Our goal is any quantity of 2-inch through 24-inch knife gate valves, we are able to ship them from stock.
If you're looking for a premium, easy-to-install, low-maintenance knife gate valve, the 80TP and 80BA valves are an excellent choice.